my friend, do you want to be happy? Even if this might not be something that you struggle with, I've got a great story for you. If you are not already, please subscribe down below and drop a like. It really helps the channel, and for the YouTube algorithm, it allows more people to be able to see this content. There was an anthropologist studying an African tribe. He had been working in a village for quite some time, and the day before he left, he put together a basket filled with fruits and foods from around the region, and he put a big ribbon on it, he did it up, and he left it underneath a tree. He got all the children in the village, and he had them all line up and told the children, when I tell you to start, run to that tree over there with the basket of fruit. Whoever gets there first will win the basket of fruit. And when he told them to start, they all took each other's hand and ran there together. Then they sat around the tree enjoying the basket of fruits together. The anthropologist was obviously shocked. Why would they all go together as opposed to, one person beating everyone else there to get it for themselves? And a young girl kind of answered that for us. She looked up to the anthropologist and said, how can one of us be happy if all the other ones are sad? Years later, this thought process was brought to light by Desmond Tutu, and an activist for South Africa. And this process is essentially called Ubuntu, which means I am because we are. So Tutu essentially explained that we believe that a person is a person through other people. When you say something or judge someone else, you're essentially judging yourself. When you talk badly about someone else, you're kind of doing the same to yourself. The great quote that comes from this is, your humanity comes into its own community through belonging. So happiness comes from combining what we love to do with what we find very meaningful. In our community here on this YouTube channel, our goal is to help everyone become happier, healthier, and become the best possible version of themselves. So the end goal is to have an extraordinary life, a life that is on your terms so that you can do what you love and contribute to what you find meaningful, which is my mission as well, to find the best possible ways, research and condense the best possible knowledge on happiness, productivity, procrastination, health, and well-being to you, to contribute to you, to make your life better. My belief is essentially to make this world a better place. And I believe that people who are happy, healthy, eat the best possible foods, take care of themselves the best, have the best opportunity to do that. Cooperation and belonging is far more powerful and helpful to the community than competition. There's always room at the top. My belief is that we live in an abundant universe. As you think, as you are, is what you will attract into your life. And when you believe in the abundance of whatever, money, relationships, quality people, when you believe it and have it in your life, you will always have enough. And if you choose to share your journey with us, either in the comments or through messages, we would love to help serve you in some way. So please feel free in the comments below to share what your journey is, what your mission and your belief is. With social media lately, we're not finding the value in our community. This past year with the pandemic and having to be inside, our community's really tightened in a lot of ways, and I think it's very important for us to find value, even if it is, safely meeting someone face to face with a mask on. A very important piece of our humanity is in belonging and finding people who are quality, that raise our energy, raise our vibration, and help fill us up in a lot of different ways. Remember, they're always out there. When the student is ready, the teacher will appear. It's always there. We just gotta be able to look for it. We're always here to support each other on our own individual paths. And if we're honest with ourselves, we all need a little bit of help along the way. Thanks for your time, my friend. We'll talk to you in the next video.